Hi, welcome to Pete's Garage. Today we're going to be looking at the pinion bearing on my neighbor's truck. It's making a lot of noise and we suspect that the pinion bearing has failed, or the race is at least marbled. And so we're going to take it all apart, clean it up, replace the bearings, put it all back together and call it good. So, on to it. So, the complaint was noise from the differential, and it was obviously bearing noise, but when we took the bearings apart, they were worn. You can definitely see where, it's a 180,000 mile truck, so you expect to see a little bit of wear, but I wouldn't call this obnoxiously bad. I would call that obnoxiously bad, and that's what was causing its noise. But if I hadn't have taken the cage apart and looked on the inner race, I never would have positively identified the problem. But we did, and we found the exact problem. We replaced the pinion bearings, and now everything's back to normal. The truck is nice and quiet, and it drives good. So, successful job.